Okay, ladies, if your man is having a little bit of trouble performing in the bedroom, there is a new treatment. And no, it's not a pill. I want you to meet Andrew Reinhardt of Camelback Medical Clinic. He is here with the details. Andrew, you are here with what you guys are calling a breakthrough treatment.
Yeah.
No pills, no injections.
Yes,
Okay.
that's right. Well, when it comes to ED, that's really been the only solution. Medication, taking the pill, and guys struggling with ED know what I'm talking about. The side effects, headaches, and the blurred vision, having to pre-plan things. So many of our patients say, I just want things to work like they used to.
Right.
Spontaneity.
Right, and a lot of men can't take certain medications
Yeah,
because
there
of
are.
health reasons.
Because of heart issues, and you know, it
Right.
drops blood pressure, blurred vision. So they really have nowhere to go. There has not been a good solution until now.
Okay, so tell me what you're doing and how does it work?
This is called acoustic wave therapy.
Okay.
It uses an FDA-cleared device clinically shown to open up the blood vessels, increase blood flow. Think about a guy with erectile dysfunction. What does he really need more of? He needs more blood flow. This is a blood flow issue.
Okay.
We can restore normal function with just a few short treatments at our clinic in Scottsdale,
Right.
usually 2 to 3 weeks. So think maybe end of October.
Wow, okay, so you're saying a couple treatments a week for 2 to 3
That's
weeks.
the average. That's
Okay,
correct.
Okay, so who's a good candidate? Who's coming to you? Are these men who've already tried other
Yeah.
treatments or on other treatments? And because I'm sure there is a huge level of frustration no matter
There is.
what they are or aren't doing.
There's a lot of guys that have failed with everything. They've tried injections, they've tried the pills, they've been to their urologist, whatever, and they just don't know what else to do. That's when they call us. There's also men that are slipping in the bedroom, starting to notice things are not as good as they want it to be, and they'll come in as well. And they're actually, by the way, the easiest to fix.
I was going to ask you that. The sooner the better, the more successful your treatment will be?
Absolutely, yeah.
Okay.
If there's partial function left in the bedroom, it's
Okay.
very easy to restore that.
Okay, good to know. Now, I know that you've done this treatment and you've talked to a
Yeah.
lot of men
Yeah.
who've come through the clinic. Let's
Yeah.
forget it. We'll talk about the ladies in just a moment,
Yeah.
but what are men telling you?
Well, they come in initially very frustrated and a little embarrassed, frankly.
Sure.
Nobody wants to go to the ED clinic, and
Right.
they come in hesitant, but to come in and get it taken care of in a few weeks versus suffering for years, by the time they walk out, they're usually giving us high fives, on the way out there. They're pretty happy, and this is a solution a lot of
Thanks,
guys
man.
right, and they haven't heard about it. They say, oh, I wish I would have known sooner.
So when somebody comes into your office for the first time, you offer up a lot of specials that
Yeah.
we're offering up today. What is going to happen? That's what guys want to know.
Yes.
What are you going to do?
Yes, you're going to come in and you're going to meet with a medical doctor. That's the first thing. An
Okay.
MD that specializes in this. He's going to do an analysis of you, an exam. We may do a blood flow ultrasound that'll check for any blockages in blood.
Okay.
Now, normally we charge for that. We're doing that free, like you mentioned, to the viewers today.
Okay, great.
It's an analysis of you, why you have ED, and if the treatment will work for you.
Okay, excellent. So what are the ladies telling you?
Well, that's been interesting. And a lot of patients come in and they say, I'm surprised how many of the spouses were in the clinic with the men.
Really?
I think that it's a compliment to the man when the spouse brings it up and says, let's get this fixed.
Yes.
It's kind of an awkward subject, of course, but
Sure.
bring it up, communicate, the relationship will improve.
Yeah, and who makes most of the appointments, the ladies or the men? I'm just
We
curious.
see both. We
Really?
see both, yep.
Okay, it's okay,
Absolutely.
guys, to talk about it, address the issue. There is a way to take care of it now. Andrew, thank you so much for
Thank you.
being here. Really good information. And as Andrew said, he did bring along a pretty amazing special offer for you. The Camelback Medical Clinic is offering this. If you call them now, they are going to give you a free assessment, exam, and blood flow ultrasound. All right, that's how they can determine where you are with your treatment. Here is where they're located: 3501 North Scottsdale Road. It's Suite 231 in Scottsdale. Men or women can pick up the phone, 480-535-1000. Learn what they have to offer at the website, camelbackmedical.com.